Hello folks, in this video we will tell you about 6 tips how you improve your personality in this modern world. So why are waiting, let's go.
Be a good listener. Listening is an essential part of communication. It will help you to see situation from the eyes of speakers. Most people do not listen with the intent to understand, they listen with the intent to reply. When someone talks to you, try to establish eye contact. It will make them feel important and help them to feel that you are actively listening and interested. Try to repeat back what they have said to you every few minutes, so you can show that you hear them. So our next tip is develop positive attitude. 90% of our emotions determined by the way we talk to ourselves throughout the day, so always start your day with some positive affirmations like, I love myself, I can do it, I am healthy, I am excited about today, I am loved. Practice visualization every day. Visualize yourself in positive situation. Always have positive expectations, since we can control your expectations. We should always expect the best and expect to be happy and successful. Next is, stop judging and evaluating. Judge nothing, you will be happy. Forgive everything, you will be happy. Love everything, you will be happiest. When you start judging someone, ask yourself, what do I really know about this person? And answer will be a version of not much, and find out one thing you like about person and praise them out loud. When you stop judging, you can be more relaxed and be yourself. By doing it, you will be able to
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, babe.
keep your word. People with good personalities are always very reliable and honest most of the time. Trustworthy people win our heart and our admiration by keeping their promises. Integrity improves a person's personality drastically. So keep your word always. For example, if you have a class at 7 a.m. and you reach 5 minutes early, it shows you keep your word and you respect others' time too. It means do what you say and do the way it is meant to be done. Give genuine opinion. Isn't it boring? When someone tries to talk to you and you have no opinion on anything. If you have nothing to talk about, then the conversation has nowhere to go. On the other hand, when you are engaged in a conversation with a person who has different opinions, when you have opinions on everything, it is more interesting and it makes you look more influential and well-informed everywhere. Don't be shy to put your opinion forward. Unique point of view expands everyone's outlook.